Chapter 3 Spiritual Peepal Tree. It is believed that Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment under the peepal tree, which is also known as the Bodhi tree. This sacred tree is located in Bodh Gaya, India, where Buddha meditated for days until he achieved a deep understanding of the nature of suffering, leading to his enlightenment. Sandalwood Tree. The sandalwood tree is famous for its enchanting scent, which has made it highly sought after. The wood is used in temples for incense, as its fragrance is believed to have a calming and spiritual effect. Sandalwood is also a key ingredient in making perfumes and soaps because of its soothing aroma and skin-friendly properties. Banyan Tree. The banyan tree is often found near temples in many parts of India and other countries, where it holds spiritual significance. The tree is known for its aerial roots, which grow down from its branches and eventually reach the ground. In Hinduism, the banyan tree is considered sacred, symbolizing immortality and the cycle of life. Bale Tree. The bale tree is considered sacred in Hinduism, especially dedicated to Lord Shiva. Its leaves are often used in religious offerings to Lord Shiva, as they are believed to bring blessings and purify the mind. The fruit of the bale tree traditionally used to make a refreshing cool summer drink, often called bale sharbat, which is known for its health benefits and cooling properties. Ashoka Tree. The Ashoka tree is traditionally associated with Kamdeva, the Hindu god of love. The tree is considered a symbol of love and fertility due to its beautiful flowers and significance in ancient mythology. The Ashoka tree is often found in temples and gardens, and its flowers are believed to have the power to bring about emotional healing and love. Mango Tree. The leaves of mango trees are traditionally hung by a string at the main entrance of houses during auspicious occasion in many parts of India. This custom is especially common during festivals such as Diwali, weddings, and housewarming ceremonies. The mango leaves are believed to bring good fortune, prosperity, and positive energy into the home. Banana Tree. The banana tree holds significant cultural and religious importance in India. Its fruits are often offered to God during religious rituals and festivals, especially in temples, as a symbol of prosperity and blessings. In addition to its fruits, the big leaves of the banana tree are widely used in many parts of India to serve prasad, particularly during rituals and community feasts. Lotus. The lotus is a beautiful pink flower considered to be the purest of all flowers in Hinduism and many other cultures. It holds great spiritual significance, as goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, and goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and wisdom, are depicted sitting on a lotus. The lotus is also an important emblem of knowledge, prosperity, and beauty in Indian culture.